Guys, I have the perfect homemade trick for you that will make you go hard in just 15 seconds. Okay, you will please yourself and your partner again, and all you're going to do is just go to your kitchen right now and grab a pinch of salt. Then do this 15-second homemade trick that is super simple. This homemade trick was discovered by a Harvard scientist, and it has been helping thousands of men to really get a better erection and performance in bed. If you want to know more about this trick, all you have to do is just go to the link in this video description, and there you're going to find the perfect homemade trick video. Okay, the one that actually works for thousands of men. Guys, and let me tell you a secret. This is the trick that the movie stars have been using and are able to perform 3 to 4 rounds without getting exhausted. Okay, this homemade salt trick really could help with your performance, but here's the catch. It's complicated. That's exactly why they created Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution to boost blood flow and improve your results without all the hassle. Don't wait. Stocks are running low. Tap the link in the description now and get your hands on it before it's too late.